Built for Asia Road. Bike washer engineered for dust and mud. In countries where motorcycles are a daily necessity like Vietnam, Indonesia, Thailand, and Philippines, keeping bikes clean is a constant struggle. Muddy road, dusty construction site, and tropical rains make traditional bike washing slow and exhausting. That's why the Go&Go automatic two-wheel bike washer was built to handle the real challenge of Southeast Asia Road. Built for real dirt, this isn't a car wash repurposed for bike. It's a machine engineered for two-wheeler, whether it's light city dust or thick countryside mud. Go&Go dual wash mode get the job done. Quick wash 2 minutes for regular urban bike. Deep wash 4 minutes for dirty heavy rural ride. High pressure water jet and specialized cleaning chemical remove green while protecting chrome and chrome. Clean bike, dirty margin. Each wash costs only 20 cents to operate. Customers are already paying more than $1 per wash. That's up to 5 times profit per wash. Example, if you wash 40 bikes per day, the profit will be more than $30 per day. One machine can bring in more than $900 per month. Simple setup, smart operation. Perfect for roadside bike shop, coffee shop or convenience store, near market or apartment. Just need to plug into a 220 volt or 380 volt power. Fill the built-in water tank. Add cleaning solution. Press one button. The machine also counts daily wash, help you track performance and forecast profit. Made in Vietnam, built for Asia. Manufactured in Ho Chi Minh City, this system is ready for international export. Delivery time is about 35 to 45 days after ordering. Training available at Go&Go Center. Whether you are a small business owner or a regional distributor, this is your chance to lead the bike care revolution. Contact Go&Go today to get started. Engineer for your road. Build for your succeed.